Since its initial release almost 10 years ago, Snapchat has changed and grown to become one of the top 10 most downloaded apps of last decade. The app itself is still under constant development, with more features to adapt to the desires of its user base. A relatively recent addition is the ability to subscribe to creators on Snapchat to see their content first on your Discover page. As an upcoming star on Snapchat, you might have a bit of trouble getting the subscribe button on your profile. Here's how it's done. If you want the subscribe button, you'll need to have a public profile on Snapchat, along with a few other requirements. According to Snapchat's support site, you need to be at least 18 years old, and your account needs to be active for at least 24 hours, with one friend that has added you back. For existing accounts, you'll also want to check that you're adhering to Snapchat's community guidelines, so feel free to click on that link in the description below. Once that's done, we can start. Open the app, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, then tap on the triple dotted icon next to Add to SnapMap. If you don't see this option, you'd want to make sure your account is fully verified with the right settings. From here, tap on the gear icon in the top right to open your settings menu. Once you're there, make sure that your email and cell phone number are verified. After that, set Contact Me, Send Me Notifications, use my camera selfie, and view my story to everyone, then enable Quick Add. Just tap on the setting you want to edit, then select Everyone. After this, exit and relaunch the app. Tap on your profile and you'll see the option to add to SnapMap. Tapping on the triple dotted icon next to it will prompt you to create a public profile on Snapchat. From here, just tap Create Public Profile and follow the on-screen prompts. Once you're finished, you'll have a profile with a subscribe button. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Snapchat and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.